Hi, my listeners. How are you? I hope you will be happy and enjoying your life. Welcome to my channel Tech Info. Today, my topic is web designing. Now, start our video. Web designing is vital to your online marketing. If you want your digital marketing to be successful, you need to drive traffic to your website. But that traffic will only stay there if your site is user friendly. That's why it's critical to have superior web design. When you visit a website, you expect it to look appealing and function smoothly. If you went to a site that took forever to load, featured a grayish color scheme, and had hard to read text, you are probably hit the back button. Your potential customers would react the same way, which is why your site needs to feature a clean web design that draws users further in rather than driving them away. But what is web design exactly and what do it take to improve it? We will answer those questions in our web design overview below. So read on to learn more. Then consider penetrating with our team of over 500 marketing experts for our web design services. Here we first of all we discuss what is web design. To start off our web design overview, what is a web design? Web design refers to the process of creating websites for the structure of each type page of the color schemes and font choices. Without web design, you won't not deliver a structured presentation of your website that invites users to engaging. What is the difference between web design and web development? It's worth nothing the discussion between web design and web development. Web development is a broader term and it includes setting up the back end side of your website. That is all the behind the scenes coding. Web designs, however, is limited front end optimization. That is the part of your website users see. We will cover some of the most common components of web design below as well as how to optimize them. So read on for more information. Here we discuss 10 tips for optimizing your website design. Incorporating web design is not all it takes to create a successful website. You must incorporate good web design. That means creating a site that satisfies users' needs and expectations as well as Google ranking algorithms. To that end, here are 10 expert tips for improving your website page design. Here we discuss first use buyer personas. When you build a website, it's crucial to consider your audience. Your site will look different depending on who you are trying to reach. An excellent way to hone in on your audience is to use buyer personas. Buyer personas are fictional representation of people in your target audience based on your current customer base. For example, a robotic company's web design might be based on the personas of an editor, business, and the government buyer. Your personas should reflect characteristics that are common among us to your customer, so be sure to assess demographic interests and socioeconomic status when you work on creating them. And the next one is brand use for yourself through your web design. Throughout the process of creating your site, you must ensure that everything you do help promote your brand. That goes beyond putting your name on the page and calling it a day. Everything from the design structure to your font choice should represent your business. For example, if your business has a particular color scheme associated with it, the color you use in your logo. Maybe you could use that color scheme across your site to build the association with your company. Likewise, if you are a luxury brand that wants to sound prestigious, you would use different vocabulary than you would to sound casual. You don't want your site to feel like a collection of generic web pages. You want it to feel like your business. Create an initiative navigation step. When users visit your website, you need to find their way around. That may seem obvious, but your site visitors can easily get lost if you don't develop an initiative navigation setup on your site. To make your site navigation, start by making sure all your pages are grouped appropriately and try to include internal links between related pages from there. Organize all the different sections of your site in a navigation bar at the top of the page. Okay, my listeners, no, we will meet in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.